Okay, so I've done it again. I've neglected to turn the mic on OBS while recording myself trading. The whole point of these recordings is so that I can go back in time or just at the end of the day watch some of my reasoning and understand why I made certain decisions and if I deviated from the strategy and if it was justified or not, and a whole load of other things. It just highlights a lot of the mistakes I'm making. It makes them obvious because when I'm editing as well, I put them together, I end up watching it. It's kind of a little review, a journaling process without me having to write things down and all that. The idea is to keep the editing process really, really short. So I just put it into CapCut, get some captions on it, and put like an effect or transitions on each clip, and export. So I've I don't want to do a whole like whatever this is, a commentary. And maybe someday people will watch this when I'm a millionaire. But as of now, it's just a journaling process. So I've just got to remember not to record with the mic off on OBS, and I'll be good. I'll just have, whenever this happens, I'll just put like what happened on that day as a screenshot at the end, which is coming up in 5 seconds or so. That's it.